Hello, I'm CG. This is a quick video to show how to make a simple table for a checklist in Canva. After starting Canva, we can choose a template for creating a design. I will use presentation. Next, we can go to elements and then go to bottom. We can find tables. Click and then we can choose a template for the table style. We can choose one of them. Click to add one table. Now I want to add matrix, so we can go to click and drag the corner to add matrix. Next, if you want to add columns and row, we can go to top three dot menu and click, and then we can add column here. If you want to make multiple columns, we can make a multiple selection. I select 3 columns, and then we can click 3 dot menu again and add 3 columns. Actually, we can go to here. Select the table and we can find the plus icon to add column. If you want to add row, we can go to find this icon to add row. If you want to cancel it, we can go to select one of the box and we can delete row. Now, if you want to adjust the spacing of the box, we can click and drag the line to adjust it. We can adjust it something like this, and also we can add matrix. Now I put it to center. If you want to make equal spacing, we can make a multiple selection. I use Shift to make a multiple selection of these 7 columns and go to 3 dot menu, and then we can find size columns equally. Next, we can enter the content. For example, we can select one of the box, double click to enter the text. We can type task 1. I enter the second task and the third task. And also we can double click and enter it. I type Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Actually, we can add emoji. We can double click to start to type, and then we can use right click and choose emoji. For example, I use tag and click to add the tag. If you think this is quite small, we can select all. I press Ctrl A to select all, and then go to top option bar. We can find the font size. We can increase it, and also we can type. For example, I type 50. And matrix. So this is how we can create a simple table for a checklist in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG. See you in the next video.